Some boats bring you to the water. The Benetti Oasis 42M puts you in it. Step aboard, and you are already at sea level. The ocean is not a view, it is right there. Built in Italy by Benetti, a yard with more than a century and a half of superyacht history. Exterior design by RWD. Outdoor deck design by Benetti Kazzersky Architecture. Built to be lived on, not stored. Blue water capable. Range enough to cross an ocean. You plot the crossing over dinner. You wake up anchored somewhere no charter boat has ever been. That is what this kind of range opens up. The Oasis Deck sits at sea level. Enclosed pool with the ocean on 3 sides. 270 degrees of open water, and a 4-deck wellness terrace that opens directly to the sea. A full group aboard, and nobody goes home early. Pool before breakfast. 4-deck at sunset. The swim platform whenever the anchorage calls for it. Light-toned interiors with floor-to-ceiling glass, so the inside never really feels like inside. This is a boat you run from one harbor to the next and still never want to go ashore. When the sun drops behind the ridge and the water goes still, this is where you are. Warm inside. Open sky above the Oasis Deck. Room for the whole crew to stay as long as they want. This is not a weekend boat. This is a base camp for the blue water. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. Every detail, every spec, right now. I'm Kaya from Minted Information. Feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.